How to fix Valorant error code Val 5 the game has lost connection. First thing you want to do is go to your Windows search, type in services, click OK, and then from here you'll have to look for VGC. Just simply press V on your keyboard. As what you can see, I haven't installed VGC in my PC yet, but if you find one, just right click on that and then go to properties. And then after that, you go ahead to start type and change it to automatic and then click start, and then don't forget to click on apply. Now once everything is set, go back to your Windows search, then type in CMD, click OK. From here you'll just have to type in ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, then click enter. The next is netsh space winsock space reset. Now click enter. Now the your requested operation requires elevation, which means you'll need to run your CMD or command prompt as an administrator. So let's do that again. Go to Windows search, type in CMD, right click, run as an administrator, just click on yes, and then do the same process again. ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, then netsh space winsock space reset. Now, after doing this, you'll have to restart your PC and try to relaunch the game again. So that's how you fix Valorant error code Val 5 the game has lost connection.